In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to mark an invoice as paid inside of Zoho Books. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to Sales and find your invoice that you want to mark as paid. Then from here you need to go over to the invoice number, click on it, so this page will pop up. Then from here, to mark it as paid, you need to go up to Record Payment and Record Payment. Then from here, this page should be popping up. And as you can see here, there's different things you can change, like the customer name, the amount received, the tax deducted, payment method, the deposit mode, the notes, payment date, etc, etc, etc. You can also attach a file if you want to do that. But to mark it as paid, you simply need to go down to the record payment down here. And as you can see, the invoice has been marked as paid. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!